everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a festive makeup look, so let's just get on with the video. I'm first going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer to conceal my under eyes with I usually just wear concealer, so if you do like wearing more skin makeup than I do, then do that first and then watch this video. If you're actually following the tutorial. I'll watch makeup videos, but I don't actually follow them. Like, I just watch it just for fun. Comment down below if you're actually following this makeup tutorial. Oh no, no. My powder's broken and it just fell out and literally makes a mess whenever you take it anywhere. And you can't really use it, but I'm still using it, so. It's the Revolution matte base powder in the shade P5. So using that to set my under eyes. I've got it on my leggings as well. Next I'm going to be doing eyeshadow, and I'm using the Revolution Precious Stone Rose Quartz palette. So first I'm going to be going in with this shade Nectarine in my crease. And on my outer corner I'm going to be using this shade Corruption, which is like a quite bright pink. It reminds me of tinsel. I don't know, I've got it on my nose. And blend that out. I'm going to go in with this colour Rose on the whole of my eyelid. Right on top of that I'm going to put this shade Ingenuous, I think that's how you say it, I think, on top of that rose colour that we just used. And that really makes it stand out. I'm going to go in with this shade Elixir in the crease, just to deepen it up a little bit more. Next I'm going to be using liquid eyeliner. This one's by George, but you can just use any one that you like, because this was from Asda, so it's actually not bad, but you know. I'm just going to be doing a normal winged liner. So I do a thin line across my eyelid, a small flick at the end. Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. Next I'm using the MUA highlight in the shade Radiant Cashmere, and I'm going to be using this brush to put it on. I'm using this instead of a fan brush, so it's not too much of a harsh line. And then I'm just putting a bit on the tip of my nose. Lastly, I'm going to be using this Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick by Maybelline, I think. Yeah, Maybelline. I feel like this lipstick's a bit too pink, so a lip liner, and it can be anyone really, it just needs to be darker and sort of similar colour that's darker than this. We can overline a lip a bit, but if you don't want to do that, you can just go around the outside. and grow a bit on the inside as well. There we go, that is the finished look. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. Comment what sort of videos you want me to do, like if you want makeup tutorials, like what kind of makeup do you want. If you want covers off my channel as well, tell me what songs you want me to do or what you want to hear from me.